Tower Cessna 52070 in the run-up short of 26 right at Papa. We're ready to go right cross into Ontario.
Long to 94 Victor, traffic upwind 70 left turn momentarily, runway 26 right, clear for takeoff.
26 right, clear for takeoff, 669 per Victor.
Cessna 070, pull up and hold short of runway 26 right.
Pull up and hold short of 26 right for Cessna 070.
Cessna 14 Victor, number 2, phoning Cessna, left downwind of beam the numbers, runway 26 left, clear for the option of the go make left close traffic.
Cessna 6014 Victor, we are number 2, runway 26 left, clear for departure.
Cessna 070, runway 26 right, clear for takeoff, right turn approved.
Clear for takeoff, 26 right, right turn out approved for Cessna 070.
Cessna 14 Victor, traffic load factor, they're passing overhead of 2,400 now.
Okay, we're ready.
Cessna 6014 Victor,
camera, action.
Cessna 0 Kilo Sierra, number 3, phoning Cessna, 4 mile final, extend that one.
Number 3, 5 Pacific Sierra.
711 Julie Alpha, and frequency change.
There we go.
Frequency change, club 9 Julie Alpha.
Airspeed's coming alive. There's 40, 45, 50, 5, nose up. Engine instruments are good. Positive rate of climb. Beautiful day. Very nice. Ontario Tower, good morning. Cessna 52070 just departed Chino Airport. We're inbound for multiple touch and goes. We have information Zulu.
52070 Ontario Tower, Ontario Altimeter 3003, say intention.
3003, and we're requesting multiple touch and goes for 070.
Cessna 070, make left traffic, runway 26 left.
Left traffic for 26 left for 070. Fields in sight, there we go. There's 2,000.
Cessna 070, runway 26 left, clear for the option on the go, make left close traffic.
Clear for the option, runway 26 left on the go, make left close traffic for Cessna 070. 26 left, clear for the option. 65 all the way. Looking good. Hold it up. Okay, ups are up. There we go. There's airspeed, 55, thumbs up. Engine instruments are good. Positive rate of climb. And tower, Cessna 070, downwind and beam the numbers.
Cessna 070, runway 26 left, cleared for the option.
Runway 26 left, clear for the option, Cessna 070. Looks like Southwest is coming out. And Alaska maybe. Alaska's gonna go first, I would think. Positive, ready to climb.
Cessna 070, make right traffic this time.
070 will make right traffic.
Cessna 070, traffic departing 26 right, Boeing 737, report traffic inside.
070 traffic inside departing on the right.
Cessna 070, maintain visible separation from the Boeing 737, caution wide turbulence, wind 250 at 4, runway 26 right, clear for the option.
We'll maintain visual separation from the departing traffic, runway 26 right, clear for the option for Cessna 070.
Alaska 537, contact SoCal departure.
Or SoCal, Alaska 537, have a good day.
And tower confirmed 070, clear touch and go 26 right.
Cessna 070, affirmative, runway 26 right, clear for the option, on the go, make left traffic.
26 right, clear for the option, on the go, make left close traffic for 070. We can do that. Yeah, 070, we would like to make an early left crossing.
Cessna 070, approved as requested.
070. All the way. Early left crossing.
South 1571, Ontario Tower, runway 26 right, line up and wait.
26 right, line up and wait, Southwest 1571.
Here we go, flaps are up. 55. No. Airspeed. Positive. Engine instruments good. Positive rate of climb.
Cessna 070, roger. Can you accept the short approach?
070, we can do that.
This is 070, caution weight 10 with Boeing 737, departing the parallel, make short approach, runway 26 left, clear for the option, wind 2003.
Make short approach, 26 left, we have the departing traffic inside on the right.
Pattern 8656 on LS 26 left.
About 8656, Ontario Tower number 2, following a Cessna on a down to base for 26 left, wind 2003, runway 26 left, clear to land.
It's 26 left, clear to land from Pac Valley 8656.
Okay, Tower 070, do you want to sustain left traffic?
Cessna 070, affirmative, there's 2 jets coming in for the right.
070, we'll stay left traffic.
South 1571, contact SoCal departure.
Over your departure, Southwest 1571, have a good one.
Cessna 070, go around.
070, we're going around.
How's our traffic looking? I don't have them.
Pac Valley 8656, you're number 1 now, no factor.
Thank you.
Cessna 070, extend upwind 2 miles.
070, extend upwind 2 miles. Yeah, Tower, Cessna 070, approaching downwind and being the numbers, and after this touch and go, we're going to be a left crosswind at Chino Airport.
Cessna 070, change runway 26 right, runway 26 right, clear for the option.
Runway 26 right, clear for the option for Cessna 070. 26 right, clear for the option.
Air Shuttle 5792, amend departure instructions on departure. Fly heading 260, climb and maintain 6,000. Runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Alright, 6,000, heading 260, 26 left, takeoff Air Shuttle 792.
Cessna 070, I'll call your go.
070, do you want us to do a stop and go?
Affirmative.
070, we'll do a stop and go. Hold it.
Ontario approach Cessna 7320 Juliet at 2,300, requesting transition. 4 bracket.
Cessna 7320 Juliet, Ontario Tower, proceed northbound. I'll call your westbound turn north of the 10 freeway.
We'll proceed northbound. You'll call our westbound Cessna 7320 Juliet.
Cessna 070, the regional jet departing westbound, report traffic.
070, departing traffic on the left inside.
070, maintain mid separation from the regional jet. Caution wake turbulence, runway 26 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 26 right, we'll maintain visual separation. Caution on the wake for 070. Okay, here we go.
Cessna 7320 Juliet, maintain VFR at or below 2,500.
Maintain VFR at or below 2,500, Cessna 7320 Juliet.
The Shuttle 5792, contact SoCal departure.
Flight departure 5792.
And Tower 070, is it possible to get a right 270 back over the airport just to avoid the wake to Chino?
Cessna 070, approved as requested.
070, make a right 270 over the top and over to Chino.
Got 664 with you or just in the tower?
Runway. House 13, roger. Cessna 070, contact Chino Tower 118.5.
Over to Chino for Tower 118.5 for 070. Thanks for the help this morning.
Cessna 5200 Chino Tower, up.
070, we're here.
070, do not descend below 2,000, turn left towards the east and make right traffic for runway 26 right.
Okay, stay above 2,000. We'll go in one more time on the instructions for the heading.
070, left turn towards the downwind and make right traffic for runway 26 right.
And Tower to confirm 070, clear to land runway 26 right.
Cessna 070, affirmative, runway 26 right, clear to land, you're number 1 now.
Clear to land, runway 26 right, we're number 1 for 070.
Cessna 070, additional traffic to block a mile approaching base for runway 26 left, a Cherokee.
070, look at that traffic on the left.
Cherokee 57 Charlie, traffic off your left, a Cessna, they'll be landing at Pearl runway.
Looking from Cherokee.
Helicopter 4 to X-ray.
Alright, looking good. There's the left, there's the right, we're clear on the right. The right is clear.
We're 17 Golf base approved.
Phase 4 1 Golf.
Helicopter phone to X-ray number 3, following a Cherokee on the right base, just
Hold it
inside
up.
the wash. Runway 26 right, there's land.
Understand that was 4, it's X-ray number 3.
Phone to X-ray minutes, W, following the Cherokee on the right base.
Copy, got that traffic, 4, it's X-ray.
Hold it up.
Cessna 070 to right at Kilo, contact ground point 6.
Right at Kilo, over to ground point 6 for 070.